Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. Cancer people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Cancer, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright? Okay. Cancer people, are you guys being really sad about something? You wanted something to happen in your life, but it's not happening as per your wish? Or it seems like you are being very secretive about something in life? What is it? What is it? Something is happening, something is, going on in your mind, and you are not telling this thing to anyone. There must be people around you who must be seeing you like this way. They must be talking to you, hey, what's happening with you, or why you are not the same old Cancerian person. What's happening with you? Are you okay, or everything is fine in your life, or something like that? They are trying to connect with you. They are trying to understand why you are being very silent. It completely seems like you are not satisfied with certain events in your life. You wanted something to happen, but it didn't happen the way you wanted it to happen. Okay, so you are being very secretive, Cancer. All right. On the other hand, we have Knight of Swords. The good news is that your person is being very energetic about something. Okay, it seems like you wanted to meet this person and you couldn't meet them in past. That's why you are feeling sad and secretive. It seems like it seems like you have planned this thing in your mind that, hey, I'm not going to show anything to anyone. I'm not going to reveal any emotion of mine. I'm not going to talk about my feelings to anyone, and especially this person. I don't know. Okay. Now we have Knight of Swords. It seems like your person is rushing towards you. Okay, they want to meet you. They want to talk to you. Something is there in their life which they eagerly wants to tell you. Okay, it could also happen that they are coming towards you to offer you something, to give you something. All right. This could be anything. This could be a proposal. This could be a commitment. This could be a meeting. This could be anything. So I feel that they are coming towards you like anything. They just want to talk to you. They just want to give you something. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy. What is the mutual energy? Rebirth. Cancer people, I feel that you want your person to do something extraordinary for you. All right, because you are asking them to give something new in this relationship. Okay, perhaps you want them to give you a solid commitment. You want them to give you a solid something solid. Okay, it could be a marriage proposal and all that. You want a rebirth in this relationship. You want something beyond. I mean, suppose if you are on level 1, you want to move ahead on a level 2. You want to move up on the ladder of this relationship. You are eager to take this relationship on a next level, and I feel that you're somehow your person also knows this thing, and that's why they are coming towards you. All right, so you need not to be very secretive about your emotions. Whatever is in your heart and mind, just say it. Okay, now I'm going to pick 3 cards for you to check what your person feels about you, what actions they are taking right now, and what actions they can take in future. Stress, understanding, transformation. Okay, so with this first card, stress, your person knows that you are being very stressful about something, and they know that you want something in this relationship. You want some solid proposals, solid communication. Okay, their promise that they'll be there for you for the rest of their life. Okay, so they know that you want it, and that's why they see you as somebody who's taking lot of stress. Okay, which they do not want you to do, which they do not want you to take. Why are you being so stressful about? perhaps they are coming towards you to discuss this thing only. Okay, I don't know, anything could be happen, but what I'm feeling is that they know that you are being very stressful. You are already occupied with thousands of your work, but still somewhere somehow you get time to think about this person, and you feel stressful, you feel sad, you feel bad. Okay, you feel that it's me who is putting all my efforts, why this person is not putting all any efforts to this relationship. But it's not the case. They are also, feeling the same thing, whatever you are feeling right now. Okay, the good news is here, understanding card. It seems like your person is trying to rescue you. Okay, they are coming towards you to rescue you. It's you. Can you see? You can be out from this cage anytime. Okay, this cage door is open for you. You can be out any time, but you are being very fearful about something. Perhaps you are fearful about your situation, your family, your society, your friends, and all that. So a lot of thoughts are going on in your mind, that what if I do in this way, how will people think about me? Okay, so the thing is that the good news is that basically that they are coming towards you to rescue you. Okay, you need not to worry at all. They are taking actions, and that's what I told you in the beginning also. Okay, now the future transformation. I am definitely seeing a new transformation in this relationship. Okay, what I said in the beginning, that you want to move this relationship on a next level, you want to move up on a next level. All right, this transformation is taking place in your relationship, Cancer, in future. Some solid communication is coming towards you, that's for sure. Okay, you have to go through some transformations to get what you deserve, or what you want, or what you are looking for. Okay, so if you are feeling sad and bad, that's completely a natural process of transformation, so there is no need to worry at all. Okay, all right. So Cancer, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this moon card. We have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, this Knight of Swords, rebirth. We have fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this stress card, and we have water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this understanding card. All right. Okay, so Cancer people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon, okay, so that you can get the notifications as well. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.